Welcome, everyone is a HUAWEI P9 Lite Mini, and today I'll show you how to transfer photos, videos, or any kind of other file from the device to a SD card or vice versa. So to get started, you want to open up some kind of file explorer, which for this device it's files. Simply tap on it, and in the first category where you open it up, you will have all the files neatly organized in all the categories, but that's not very helpful in my opinion. Because if you would go into your images, for instance, it doesn't show you where the image is located. So when you want to move it, you basically just guess or copy it twice in the same location. So local seems to be, in my opinion, a better place to look. And from here, I'll just give a brief overview where you can find what. So if we go into the internal storage, DCIM will have all your photos and videos that you have taken with the device. Pictures right here will have all your screenshots. Downloads will have any kind of file that you have downloaded using Chrome or email, so photos, videos, as well as documents and stuff like that. And then anything else that you look for here will basically be placed by you, so you should know probably where anything else is, because if you download music and if you download music using the browser, it will be in the downloads, but if you placed it there manually, you would probably placed it in music folder, just as an example. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna copy screenshots that I have taken. As you can see, there are 2 of them in the screenshot or in the pictures folder. So once you find the file that you want to move, all you need to do is hold it like so, and then you get this check mark. And additionally, you can just tap on additional ones to check them as well if you want to move multiple. Now, if, for instance, you moving in an entire album of photos with just hundreds of them, or just as an example, multiple that you don't feel like selecting each one of them, you can actually go back, for instance, to a folder that they're located in and just select the entire folder once like that, and that will move also the content of that folder. So once it's selected, all you need to do is tap on either copy or move, which is right here on the bottom. To each their own, whatever you like to do. So if you press on copy, it will just create an additional copy of it while keeping the one that is right here, or the original one where it is right now, and adding additional one to the designated location. While moving, we'll just completely remove it from where it is right now and move it to a new place. So I'm just gonna select move as an example, and then you want to navigate to where you want to move it. So just go back, and the screenshots were located on the internal storage, so I'm gonna move it to the SD card. So once I'm already in the SD card, as you can see by tapping on here, I can either create a new folder, so you could tap on here, new folder, if you wish to add one, or you can simply tap on move right here, and it will get moved straight to the directory of the SD card, as you can see right now. And because I chose move, if I go back to the internal storage of the device and go into pictures, you can see that this folder is now empty and there's nothing in there. So that is how you remove pictures, videos, and any other file. As I said previously, it works the same way for any file. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.